Here's how Strato can smoothen out your employee movements process. In this video, we'll show you how Strato automates the identification of the correct documents based on your requirements, saves you lots of time and effort when it comes to showing and sending the right documents, and how it can greatly improve your organization's employee communications through added data visibility. Towards the middle of February, our employee, Gareth Roberts, is due for a promotion. He has been offered a higher position with a higher compensation package. To reflect this, HR heads over to SuccessFactors and configures his new employment details. Job information? Check. Compensation details? Check. To take effect on March 1st, 2021. HR changes his position from project analyst to analyst. Likewise, his compensation goes up from £3,570.35 to a full £4,000 per month, a 12% increase. Given that it's the company policy to request for validations for increases over 5%, a prompt appears. Since this has been aligned between Kevin, the manager, and HR rolls with it. Behind the scenes, this is what happens. Strato recognizes that there has been a change in the employee SuccessFactors information. It determines what kind of change was done. In this case, it's a change in title and compensation. Strato then looks for the corresponding documents in line with the position and compensation change. This depends on your organizational requirements. But for this demo, Strato selects a notice of pay change and a new certificate of employment with compensation statement. Strato embeds the new details into the document template. Depending on the formatting, Strato can also include previous details for direct comparison. Since this is well into the future, the new job information will not be reflected until it is approved and finalized. It will be marked as pending for approval. Here, you'll see the Strato dashboard displaying all the employees with pending data and scenarios that they're in. For example, Lauren here is up for termination, but is yet to complete the clearance process. Gareth is also listed here, as he is due for a change of position and salary. Traditionally, employees due for promotion and salary change will only get a document containing their new position and compensation on the same day as its effectiveness, sometimes even later. This creates a gap. Employees may sometimes feel that the new compensation provided to them does not align with their performance and their new role, but since it's already implemented, they have no say, which may lead to demotivation due to unfulfilled expectations. Strato prevents this by giving the manager and HR the chance to first discuss with the employee before implementing the changes officially. This is the notice of pay change document that his manager, Kevin, can show him. It states Gareth's previous title, new title, previous salary, percentage of increase, and new salary. The information displayed here came from both the employee's current data and their pending data. He may also show Gareth a copy of his confirmation of employment details, which reflects his other benefits alongside the incoming changes in his job title and compensation. Once the new details are approved and are live in SuccessFactors, Gareth shall be receiving a copy of the notice of pay change and a new confirmation of employment detailing his employee movement and compensation package. But what would it look like for employees who generate their documents via employee self-service before their employee changes are approved? Strato detects authorization so it can check who generates the documents. If it's the manager previewing the document, it will show the document with pending information. If it's the employee, it will show the actual live information without the pending changes included. HR does not need to build a document library with hundreds of files to suit each condition. Strato shows and hides content using conditional logic and smart filters to save you lots of time and effort. Strato follows SAP SuccessFactors authorization so you can be assured that users will only see information that they are allowed to see. When it comes to employee communications and empowering them to step up in their roles, why settle for less? Strato not only optimizes your document generation and employee communication capabilities, it gives you the ability to discuss major employment changes beforehand and the opportunity to improve employment satisfaction, engagement, and trust. Strato can also generate, send and store promotion letters, employment contracts, total rewards and compensation statements, and many more documents that use data from SAP SuccessFactors. Check out the rest of our videos to learn how Strato can also optimize your candidate management and recruitment process, so you can win the war on talent. Talk to us today to learn more.